Hello, my name is Israel and I shall be your instructor. Welcome to the x86 assembly programming course, covering the x86 processor history, architecture and practical assembly programming. This is the most comprehensive x86 assembly course online. I'll take you step by step through engaging and fun video tutorials and teach you everything you need to know to succeed as an x86 developer. By the end of this course, you'll be able to master the x86 Core Instruction Set, the x86 MMX Instruction Set, the x86 Streaming SIMD Instruction Set, and the x86 Advanced Vector Instruction Set. You'll also be able to develop complex image processing algorithms in x86 assembly. You will be able to develop complex mathematical algorithms in x86 assembly. You'll also be able to write robust programs that mix C++ and x86 assembly code. Furthermore, you'll be able to master everyday things like navigating arrays, computing the statistical properties of an array, such as computing the mean and standard deviation of each column and each row in an array. All of this written in assembly language. There is so much more. Please take a look at the full course curriculum. If you are an absolute beginner to assembly programming, then you should take this course. If you are a seasoned programmer, then take this course to get up to speed with the x86 architecture and assembly programming. If you are switching from other architectures like ARM to x86, then this is the fast track way of doing it. You can get started straight away with the x86 instruction set. Remember, I have no doubt you will love this course. Also, it comes with a full money back guarantee for 30 days. So put simply, you really have nothing to lose. So just sign up and let's start writing some low-level code. I'll see you in there.